너무 귀엽다. 이거 봐, 엄마 손가락 깨물었어.
أهلا بكم وشكرا لمشاهدة قناتي أويليكم تي في.
Recently, there's been an increase in pet ownership worldwide. How about in the UAE? Out of a total population of 10 millions, about 1.5 million people have pets. This seems a bit lower compared to countries like Korea and others. However, even in the UAE, pet ownership has increased by 30% since the pandemic, and it seems like it will continue to grow up. So, what kinds of pets are typically kept in the UAE? From the media, it seems like our Arab brothers keep some unusual pets like lions and cheetahs. But is that true? In the UAE, goats and sheep are overwhelmingly the most common animals. The number of cats and dogs, which we typically consider as a pets, are very high. I thought there might be some tigers and lions, but there are almost none. Oh, media, you a liar. So, shall we actually go and buy a pet? Instead of going to big shopping mall, we heard that it's much cheaper to buy pets in the area where pet shops are concentrated in the northwest of Abu Dhabi Island. So, we head there. Upon arrival, one of the pet shops showed us the birds. They are so cute, playing on my daughter's hand without flying away. The kids loved it and had a great time. In one alley, various animals are being sold, including different kinds of cats, birds, and rabbits. This white puppy was very affectionate. We almost bought it, but we passed because it was priced at 3,500 dirham. Wow, so expensive. There are also hamsters, Actually, we came here because we only have one fish left in our home aquarium, so we need to buy more. We usually bought fish for 10 dirham each, but here guppies are 4 for 10 dirhams, and colored tetra are 3 for 10 dirham, and golden fish are 2 for 10 dirham. Wow, that's so cheap. We originally planned to buy about 6, but we impulsively ended up buying 16. Now let's put them in our home aquarium.
물고기.
이랑의 물고기 먹어. 이랑 물고기. 왜 이랑에서 물고기?
Finally, our home aquarium is bustling with fish. As a bonus, here's a shot of our cute hamster at home.
شكرا مرة أخرى لمشاهدة فيديوهاتي. إذا أعجبكم المحتوى أرجو الاشتراك بالقناة وضغط زر الإعجاب.